Hello, and welcome to Tech Corner, hosted by Nude Computer Guys. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to walk you through Control Panel and what is new in iOS 18. So let's go ahead and get started. So to open up Control Panel or Center, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and swipe from the upper right hand corner of your screen where you see the little battery icon, and if you swipe down, you're going to be brought to this window here. And the nice thing is you are now able to add and subtract apps or icons from this. So let's say you want to remove something, like let's say I want to remove the remote. So if I hit the little plus sign at the top right above the cellular, I have the option where I can hit the little minus sign. So I can say, okay, well, I want to remove the first three things down below. Cool. Now let's say I want to expand one of these. Like I want to maybe increase my stopwatch one. So I can actually make this even bigger if I wanted to. I can make it so it looks like I can make it bigger, which is really cool. So if you have, I think, multiple stopwatches, you can see those all within here. And now you also have different sections. So this is kind of like your favorites. As you can see, you have a little music one where it shows that's related to media or music. You have your Wi-Fi and cellular and VPN all right here. And then you can even add more if you want, which is really cool. So that is some of the neat features of Control Center in iOS 18. Hopefully you found this tip helpful. If you like this, provide a thumbs up. If you're interested in getting more content from this channel, feel free to subscribe, and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much.